Shake. Good boy. Now you get the treat. Good boy. Colby, high five. Good boy. Colby, sit pretty. Good boy. No, I don't have any more treats. I love you, Colby. Speak. Colby, can you meow into the camera? Colby, do you like being at the vet office? You're going to get a test done. See if your ears are okay. Colby. Colby? Colby.